Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome to Chit.Club. In this video series, I'm gonna teach you Chinese from the ground up to the point where you can actually speak Chinese.
Wow!
The first thing that you have to know, Chinese is a pictogram language. The origin of Chinese is come from drawing, which means you cannot spell it.
Wow!
Like CAT cat, BAT bat, MAT mad. For example, this character shān, which means mountain. This character mã, it is mean horse. This character rén mean people. This one yu mean fish. From drawing, for thousands of years of evolution, they become the Chinese we know today. The second thing that you have to know, Chinese is a tonal language, which means the same sound if you pronounce at different tones. The meaning will be different.
Wow!
For example, hào, it is mean good. Hào, it is mean number. Hảo, it is mean luxury. So the only way to learn Chinese is to memorize. You might ask, hey, what if I'm bad at remembering things? That's totally fine. A lot of people with bad memory still speak fluent Chinese. I have some tricks to tell you in this video series.
Yahoo!
So stay tuned. Okay, let's start. Lesson 1. Lesson 1 in Chinese is 第一课. E is number 1. 第一 is mean first. 课 is mean lesson. 第一课 is mean lesson 1. In the first lesson, let's say I learn Chinese. 我学中文. 我 is mean I. 学 is mean study or learn. 中文 is mean Chinese language. 我学中文 I learn Chinese. What if you want to say you learn Chinese? 你学中文 你 is mean you. 我 is mean I. 你 is mean you. So you learn Chinese. It will be 你学中文. Alright, now we are speaking Chinese. Here is a trick to learn Chinese. Use Chinese as frequently as you can. When you see Chinese people, just walk into them and say hi. How to say hi in Chinese? 你好 is mean hello or hi. 你 is mean you. 好 is mean good. 你好 literally is mean you good. 你好 is a phrase, mean hello or hi. The way Chinese use 你好 is just like we say hello. You can say whenever you like. When you meet with somebody, just say hello. So now you say hello to Chinese. If they reply you, and you don't understand what they said, you just say I can speak a little Chinese. So let them know you are a beginner. 我会讲一点中文 It means I can speak a little Chinese. 我 is mean I. 会 is mean can. 讲 is mean speak or talk. 一 is mean one. 点 is mean point. 一点 literally mean one point. 一点 is a phrase, mean a little. 中文 is mean Chinese language. All together, 我会讲一点中文 I can speak a little Chinese. Alright, this is it for lesson 1. See you next video.